So why should you apply calcium to your lawn? Hey, what's going on everyone? Ian here. So I'm out today putting down some calcium and doing some aerating, and just wanted to take a minute to go over what the benefits are of calcium. Here in New England, over time we get very acidic soil, so it's very important to put down the calcium, and what that does, it helps balance out the pH level to bring it up to a pH that is more favorable for the grass. So what can happen over time is the soil pH level will start to drop and creates a very acidic environment, and roots and grasses don't like that acidic environment. So it's important to put down the calcium that brings up the pH level to the 6 to 7 that it should be to promote good healthy root systems, to promote healthy grass overall. With a proper pH level of your soil, that prevents disease. It can promote healthier grass, which will fill in more and prevent weeds from also coming in. So if you have a fuller grass, it's gonna be a lot harder for weeds to get established in your lawn. Also, with a good strong root system, is it can withstand a lot more stress. So if we get a really hot summer, it'll be a lot harder for the grass to go dormant. Also, it can withstand a lot more foot traffic and stay green throughout the year. Another big benefit of applying calcium is it actually decompacts the soil. So when you decompact the soil, it allows the roots to grow deeper and able to spread out more, which creates a healthier grass. So here's what I'm putting down today. So we have a 1204, which is the nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium. This is the nitrogen level, so it's about 12% nitrogen, 0% phosphorus, 4% potassium. So what nitrogen does for the grass is that it helps promote the growth. So that's what makes it nice and green and makes it grow faster. The phosphorus is for root development. So right now we're not doing any type of overseeding or any type of new lawn installation, but if we were, we want to make sure we have a little bit of phosphorus on there to help develop the root system. And the potassium is just great for overall health of the grass. So it's good to have a little bit of potassium in that to have overall health of your grass. In this product specifically, it has 22.5% calcium. So that's what I'm really looking to put down. Also has some iron. So the calcium will help balance out the pH level of the soil. Here in New England, soil tends to have lower pH levels. So it's good to make sure it's good to put that calcium in every year.